Adding locations to your map makes your map more interactive. There are several ways to do this. I'm going to show you one way. The first way I'm going to show you is to simply type in the search bar the location that you want. So I might type in here Columbus, Ohio. So then you see all these Columbus cities show up. I'm simply going to select the one I want, and it's going to take me there. Now, if I want to add this to the map, I simply select Add to Map. Now it's added this to my map. A second way to add a location is to come up here and click this Add Marker. Now, wherever I select, it will add a marker. Once you have added what you want, just click Save. To remove it, simply hit the trash can and that will delete that.